Hello, sir. My name is the Bagus Putu Hadi Pangestu. So, today I'm going to explain about Nextcloud, free radius, and LDAP, and then what is the benefit of integrate those service using Docker to create a robust, secure cloud platform for enterprise use. So, what is Nextcloud? Nextcloud is a self-hosted open source cloud platform that gives us complete control over our data. It offers end-to-end encryption for maximum security, on-premises hosting options with no data limits, customizable storage solutions, and full GDPR compliance and data sovereignty. So we can easily collaborate on files and documents with others in our organization through real-time document editing with multiple users, built-in chat, video calls, and file sharing, calendar sharing, and team scheduling, also project management tools and task tracking. So next one is, what is free radius? So free radius is powerful and flexible radius server used to manage user authentication and authorization. It can handle a large number of users and devices, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. So the next one is how to integrating Nextcloud pre-reduce and LDAP with Docker. So LDAP serves as a centralized directory for authentication and user management, allowing organization to efficiently manage user access across services. And then simple deployment, Docker provides a lightweight and portable way to deploy and manage these services. And then efficient management, Docker enables easier management of updates and configurations. So what is the benefit of integrating those services? The first one is security, scalability, and flexibility. In terms of security, the integration of these three services provides centralized access management through LDAP, making user control easier. Two-factor authentication integrate between Nextcloud and FreeRadius. Next one is end-to-end encryption for maximum data protection. And the last one is centralized audit trail for all user activities. Next one is in the terms of scalability, this integrated system offers ability to handle thousands of users simultaneously. And the second one is consistent performance even under high load. And next one is easy capacity expansion as the organization grows. And the last one is efficient resources management through Docker containers. And the last one is, as for the flexibility, this solution enables more one customization of access policies according to the organization structure. The second one is integration with the third-party system and applications. Next, workflow adjustments to meet specific business needs. And the next one is ease of maintenance and system upgrades. For the next, my friend will be documented the how to integrate those three services.
Hello, my name is Kadek Pande Putra Ananta, and now I will show you the practice of the next cloud, the IP and the radius.
Okay, check. Okay. Okay, now I will start to create a free radius. You create Docker file first. I'm using this guide, so you just copy it to here like this, and then next step you build some reddb directory. So like this, reddb, and then inside of it there's a client conf. The client conf is this, the IP, the IP DDR, and the secret testing. This is for the client document. Okay. And then you build some mod config in here, new folder, mod config. Okay. Oh, mods config like this. Oh, we're using dash. Okay. Mods config. And then inside of it, there is a files. And then inside of it, there's the authorize. Authorize. Okay. And then inside the authorize, you create some users using this. So you can change it to your name, for example, Putra. And then I want to create for my team, my member. It's test. Okay. Okay, like this, yeah. We build again. Okay. And then we run it. And then so we could test. Oh wait, we're going to test here. But this Putra. Okay, it's accepted as you can see right here. And then we try for Hadi, accepted too. So it's only accepted when there is a user in here. But if I try to maybe lintang in here, it will be rejected. Okay, access rejected. Okay, that's it for free radius. Yeah, now for Nextcloud, we use folder Nextcloud for this. We make folder for Nextcloud, and then inside of it, you have to build Docker Compose YML, and I prepared the Docker Compose in my note. Here are the Docker Compose that I've been made it, which is passed in here. So there is a MariaDB. There is a image for the Nextcloud and the MariaDB, and the password, the root, like this. Okay. Uh, uh, Make sure you have to check the port. If your port already used in 8080, it will collation and it will not make it will not open the next cloud. Okay. And then we have to add some Apache config in here. So I already downloaded. We move it to in here. Okay. This is the Apache config. Okay. And then if you have built that, go to the directory, Nextcloud. So we go to this directory and then Docker compose up. Okay, now we are creating the volume, the container, and the network, the default network for the Nextcloud, and also the database for the Nextcloud using MariaDB. Okay, as you can see, you can check in here too. And after that, you can check for the port here. You can access the Nextcloud. So first, you have to create the admin account. Make sure you have to remember this because we have to install the OnlyOffice on admin account so the users can access the OnlyOffice on the Nextcloud. So you just have to install once, and then all the user will be accessing the OnlyOffice can only can accessing OnlyOffice. Okay, so now we wait. Usually it slow like this. Yeah, and because of my Nextcloud, I've tried several times that my Nextcloud can download it, the community server from this. So there is community server that we have to download for only Office Con integration in this Nextcloud. So apparently I tried to download it, but it keep error, and I find some solutions that we can download it from Docker Desktop in the container of this Nextcloud. So we go to exec right here, right? And we have to go to directory of var HTML apps like this, and then you have to install the wget like this. So we can use the command wget for downloading the community server from here. Okay, it's done. And now we have to download the document community server. So I have this command for downloading the documents community server. First we get All document server community. Or you just copy this. No need to wasting the time, yeah. And then you just enter. It will start to download the document server community. So the size of it, it's 400 megabytes. It will take some time to download. Then you extract if you have downloaded. This is this extract. Hold on. Okay, it's already extract. So I run this code for extracting, and then you checked. So it's already there, and then you checked on this localhost on this next cloud, yeah, and the future. All right, there is it. Community document server. Enable it and use your password. Don't ever forget it. Okay, now you download the only office. Where is it? You search it. You can search it here. You download it. Okay, just wait for a second. I don't really know that the problem of the community server. So apparently, if I try to download document community server, it will not uh, download. And yeah, it's error 28 error like that. But if I download only Office, it can't. So we just wait this. Okay. Yeah, sometimes you take this long. Okay. It's already downloaded. And then we go try to uh accessing the files. So apparently we can access the file. All right. There it is. Now you can edit some document files in your Nextcloud. Here, if you maybe edit like this, it automatically saved. Okay. If I go to that file again, just to make sure that it will save. All right, it's still okay. That's it for Nextcloud. I think we will install the LDAP. So I got the file for LDAP for Docker file in here. So I download it in LDAP account manager and then in the lamp packaging, and then you go to Docker, and there it is. This is the file that you have to run the LDAP for user in Nextcloud. So I already downloaded this file here, as you can see. There is the Docker Compose, Docker file, and the env. Okay, so apparently I've already tried this Docker Compose. You have to go to the directory first. Now, I didn't really make some change for Docker Compose and Docker file and env. So I just make change for this, for the port. Here in the default, it 8080. So I change it to 8085, so it will not collision with other port like that. Now we have to uh up the Docker Compose first. Up min day. Okay, like this, yeah. Okay, now it's already up. After that, we have to create the networks uh for merge the LDAP and the Nextcloud and the free radius. So, for example, I will create the network UAS network. Oh, oh, it's already exists. Okay. Since it already exists, I will uh I will connect to the LDAP to the OS network. Okay. First, you have to check this, all right? So there's four container that you have to connect to the network. First, you got the my radius, the app, and the LDAP1, LDAP account managers. Okay. Okay. As you can see, you can check the US network in here. There is no connection, so we have to connect. How do we connect is Docker network connect UAS network. And then you go to the Docker. First, you have to connect the my radius. You just copy this container, name of the container, and then like this. Okay. Make sure it appear in this. Okay, it appear my radius 1. Okay. And then you can connect the app one like here. So be careful when you want to connect app one like this. If you just write the app one, it will not define the container. So you have to go to app one and then you copy this container, name of this container. It just to make you easy to connect. Okay, and then the LDAP one, this. Oh, here you can connect, and then the LDAP account manager. So there's four containers that connect to one network. Okay, make sure to check the network. Make sure that there is a four container that connect. One, two, for the LDAP account manager. This is for my radius. And next got F1. Okay, so the four of the container is already connected to one network, which is OS network. Now we go to localhost 80. Yeah. So this is the UI of the lamp. So you insert the password admin pairway in here, the env. It's the default setting, but if you want to change it, it's up to you. And then you go to the OU editor in here, and then make groups like this. Okay, and then you go to the account for groups in here, and then you make new group. For example, my group name Putra, like this, and then group domain like here, right, like this, yeah. And then you save it, and then there's your group in here, and then you go to the users. Now you can create your users. Make sure the suffix is on the group. So first maybe Putra like this. So apparently, if you want to speed speed the registration for the user, you just have to click in this table, try like this, and then setting on the group like this, suffix. This is also, and then you set the password. The password is 12 characters. So I just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10. Okay. And then okay. And then you save it. Then you recycle the step. This is for my friends user. And then like that, set the password, same password. Okay. Then save it. Okay. Now you have the two user in this. First there is Putra and Hadi. And then you go to this next cloud and go to the your apps. In here you can search for the LDAP. Here, LDAP user and group backend. You just enable it. And then you go to the administration settings. in here. Okay, now for the host name, you checked on the Docker and then to the container. As you can see here, there's a LDAP1. This is your host name. Copy it and then paste it in here. And then you try to detect the port. Okay, there is already the port here. For the user DN, you click CN admin, dc my domain, and then dc conf like this, yeah. And then the password is admin pw like this. Then you save credential. Okay. On this, you can just copy the here dc from this dc, not included this comma, and then just copy paste them from here. And then you detect and test. Okay. The configuration is okay. Now you go to this. You just have to click this, verify settings, and it will count the users from the LDAP account right in here. Okay. Yes, apparently there's a message for 0 users found. So don't worry for this. You just have to click it again, and then it refreshed into 2 users found. All right. And then you have to test the login name. So I had Putra and Hadi. First, I try Hadi. Okay, the user's found and settings verified. So this indicates that your user can access this Nextcloud. The user can access the Nextcloud. And then Putra. Yeah, the Putra also can verify to this Nextcloud. So I think that's it. And then yeah, and then this is for the group, so it, it don't it don't much for this. We don't focus on this. Okay. So let's try for the logout for login with the account that we created on this LDAP. So first we go to logout and then Hadi. And the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. We wait for the login. All right. The users for Hadi can access this Nextcloud. And then we want to open the folder, want to edit the folder with OnlyOffice. All right. So the user can access the OnlyOffice, okay? And then we go to Putra, Putra accounts. Same password. Okay. Now we want to access the files to make sure that it can edit the document. Okay, OnlyOffice. All right. Putra also can edit the documents. All right, I think that's it for the UAS project.